Hey guys, so what's going on again? So it's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I'm not sure if I'm going to add this to my garland video or if I'm just going to put this by itself. But as I explained before, unfortunately the one year that I choose to do the Grinch happens to be the year that it is extremely popular. And if you watch any of my videos on my channel, the reason I chose the Grinch is because I am a traveling therapist and I'm not in my home. And there is the ugliest green chair in my house that the only thing I could do is say I'll make it look like the Grinch so that it does not depress me. So I'm not spending that much money on a Grinch tree. So it's pretty much the same technique, like I said, if you watched my garland video. So this is the white tree from the Dollar Tree. And all we are going to do, I'm going to start, so as I'm separating it, I'm going to start at the top of my tree. I have two, so I might put two together, I'm not sure. But I am going to start at the top of my tree so that, yeah, I can do it a little bit better. So let me just, I don't know if I'm going to mess it up if I try to do that. I don't know. So anyways, what we are going to do is we are just going to paint them, and they don't have to be perfect because it does not matter to me. So this may not work for you if you are like a huge, like, I 100% want my stuff to look like the Grinch thing. I am just trying to get like the Grinch kind of theme in a way. So I am just, this is the paint I'm using, you guys. This is the most amazing paint I've ever used. It is Thick Body Acrylic Master's Touch, and I guess it's usually $9.99 at Hobby Lobby. I got it for 99 cents. It's vivid lime green. If I would have known that this paint was so amazing, I would have gotten like a million more of them. So, and now I'm just going in here and I'm literally painting it. And that's all I'm gonna do through the whole thing. I did get these gloves, which are super comfy and fit my hands, and usually they're huge and they don't form fit. I got these at the Dollar Tree and they're amazing. So anyways, this is all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go through, paint it green. Like I said, if some of the white shines through, that is not a big thing for me. If I were at home, I have green spray paints, and so I would spray paint it maybe, but again, I'm traveling and I just kind of, when I got here, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm miserable. What can I do? And I said, I'll just, you know, that green chair, let's just make a Grinch theme. And so I'm just kind of going off of what I kind of brought with me, or what, like I said, the Dollar Tree has, because the Walmart here, I went to actually the one in Jackson, California, and they had a lot of Grinch stuff. So did the Hobby Lobby. But again, like, I'm not like super, like, I think the Grinch is cute, the movie, kind of whatever, but it's not really like my kind of theme. But when you see this chair, or if you've seen any of my other videos, you will know like why I had to do the Grinch theme. But again, I'm not going to do it in my home when I get like back to Arizona, and I'll be back in Arizona in January. So this will be the only Christmas. And so I'm just not willing to spend that much money. So if you want to spend that much money on the trees from Hobby Lobby and stuff, more power to you. But I've seen them on Facebook and stuff. People are selling them like, I think I've seen them like 2, 4, I don't know. They're a lot. And then I see all these arguments and I'm just like, wow, this is literally a Christmas tree for Christmas. Like, it's supposed to be like this amazing season that's like full of giving and just full of happiness. And you guys, I can't believe some of the things I'm seeing on these Facebook pages. Like, and like I said, about the one holiday that's supposed to be about that. And everybody's arguing. They're all fighting over it. It's just crazy. So I'm just going to make my own little mini Grinch tree. So like I said, you could get the green one. They have the green one, and just paint the ends a lime green. I don't know why I didn't, but now I'm painting this white one green, and it's working just the same. So like I said, if you want to use spray paint, it'll probably be easier. Again, if there's some white on mine, I don't care. Maybe it'll make it look like it has some snow. But I am just doing it to pretty much throw away when I'm done with it. So I'm not spending a lot of money on it. And so yeah, I paid $1.25 for the tree and 99 cents for the paint. So for like $2.24, I'm gonna make myself a little Grinch tree. So I will show you guys when I'm done because nobody wants to sit here and watch me paint, but this is the gist of it. And then we're just gonna paint the whole thing green. So I'll be back, guys. All right, so here is our tree. I did end up doing the second tree. So here is the first one. This is part of our Grinch tree. And then I ended up taking the second tree apart and doing that. So then we will just put them together. So we are just in the drying stage right now. Okay, guys, so here is, let me fix this. Okay. All right, you all, so here is the Dollar Tree Grinch tree. And then again, I painted it with the lime green. And here are pieces from the second one. So I used 2. Now I'm just going to add these in down here to make them look fuller. So if you look at these, they're already pushed down into like little pieces of, yeah. Let me show you, actually. I have this one. So this is the stick that I took off the other pieces from. And so this is what's lined and holding them in. So literally all I'm doing is now putting more pieces in different spots and making it also fuller. So we're just gonna find different spots to kind of shove these in. It's hard to do when, like, you know, you're on the phone and you're trying to video. Let's see. Let me start with these bottom ones. I think those might be a little bit easier. So anyways, yeah, these are, we'll start down here and kind of, I'm just literally going to shove pieces in here where these ones are already shoved in at. Okay, and if it doesn't work like that, we are just going to, I'm just wrapping it around. It is literally just, I mean, it's just wire anyways. So we'll just wrap it around and put it in the different spots that we want more to be. So we have that one right there. I'm gonna pull this one down. I just realized my arm is on top. So this is, there we go. Now, again, we're just gonna, so this right here is really bare, so I'm just gonna stick this in here. And add this piece. I'm gonna get another piece and kind of, let me see here, sorry. So, I don't know. Anyways, so we're just gonna put this here. I'm just gonna wrap this around. There, I mean, it's stuck. Now I'm just gonna take this and wrap it around this way. I mean, literally put it on there however you want. They're just pieces of wire. So I'm just literally wrapping them around wherever I want. So I'm gonna do this because obviously you don't need to see me do this because I'm not very good. And then I will be right back after I finish wrapping all of these in and we can see how much more full it is. All right, guys. Again, this is not a professional thing, but this is my little Grinch tree, okay? And let me see if my hot glue gun over here is warmed up. Okay, so this is what I got from the Dollar Tree as my, oh gosh. So I got this as my, what am I thinking? Like my base to my tree, because I figured it was gonna be pretty heavy. So I'm trying to decide right now. I just think if I squeeze this down in here, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm wondering if I should actually put its legs on or if I squeeze it down in here, if it will actually come apart and be a mess. I think, I don't want it to fall over, but I think if I hot glue it like that, maybe We're about to find out together, guys. So the first thing I know I want to do, I'm not exactly sure what my plan was here because I planned on hot gluing that, but I don't have anything setting under it, and that is not a great idea. So let's see here. That's plastic. Probably just have to hold it in the air and just put this plastic under it. Again, you guys, no, I am not a professional, but I thought it would be super cute. Let me try to go in a little bit because I am kind of far away. Okay, so here's our thing. So now this should be hot. Is it hot? It's shadowy now, of course. Why wouldn't it be? Okay, it should be hot. I'm trying to stay out of this thing, but let's see. Okay, so I need another glue stick. I got it here. Hold on. Okay, so there we go. So now it is hot. And now I'm gonna put it in the air and I'm just gonna hot glue that down. Oops, I keep hitting you, I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, hopefully it's gonna stay. We're gonna hope. If not, I have that, some cement glue, so I might have to go get that if this doesn't choose to stay right now. But there's that. So now we're going to see if this, I don't know if it will. Let's see. Okay, so it might, but of course now I have to, let's see. Now let's put some like hot glue up in here so we can hopefully get it to stay. And now I am just going to shove it back down in here again. I don't even know what view you guys are getting, but I'll show you in the side in a second. And holding down the piece so that hopefully it will stay in here. And then we will be done with that part and we can start decorating. So let's see here. So, okay, so yep, that was genius. Like I said, I thought it was going to come off, but so I have it glued like this. I wouldn't suggest hot glue because I don't think it's gonna stick, but hopefully it at least does for right now so that we can get it decorated. If not, I have cement glue. So anyways, right now, actually, I don't want it to break, but okay, I might have to move to a different angle. So I will turn the camera off and we'll move to a different angle so that we can decorate it. Okay guys, we are ready to decorate our Grinch tree. So I got these from Walmart for $2.97. I think we're gonna use these. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna take a couple off. Get 3 of those. I hauled these in my Dollar Tree haul. They are just the little ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I think we're gonna use those. Some more ornaments that I think are a good color. We have some whites and red sticks that maybe we'll use. And then we have some clips that I got from Walmart for $1.98 each. So let's get started here. So I am just going to, I really don't know if I want to hang the ornaments. I guess I'll start on this side so you can see, or if I just want to set them in really cute. I don't really know that hanging is a good idea, but like I said, we will see. I mean, I'm just putting things on here, so I have no idea. We're just gonna really just fill up the whole thing. Oh, no, you guys, I don't know who watches these, but thank you, because I'm a mess. But I did get some of this mesh tube from the Dollar Tree. And so I really wanted, I don't know if I think I want to hang it like this way, kind of like this down the front after I decorate, and I'll tuck it in some places. That's what I'll do. And then I have some tulle also. So I think we'll just tuck the tulle in and stuff kind of once we're done or in between and just see how we do. So, I mean, literally we're just going to decorate our tree now, however we want to. And then again, I chose, like I said, just a lot of the red and green ornaments because, you know, that's kind of what the Grinch's stuff is. So I'm just tucking mine in. I'm not even trying to hang them. This tree is so little. So I am just going to sit here and decorate my tree. And then I will show you when it's done and we will finish the bottom. So we will be back. Okay, guys. So I have finally finished my Grinch corner. So here is, let me try to get this off without pulling anything down. That is my Dollar Tree Grinch tree that I painted and then just added ornaments to. This is from the Dollar Tree and it was one of the ladders. I think it had love or something on it. So I took that off and then just added the little Grinch and the lights and the heart. These are just 2 boxes that I wrapped. This was already a green book. It has, it's a cookbook, so I just put the Grinch's picture on the front and then put that stuff back there. Oop, the red's coming off.